Angelo J. Capito. Currently, I'm a fourth-year student of Malayan Colleges Laguna and taking up Bachelor of Science in Civil Engineering. Also, I'm an active member of Civil Engineering Organization and Philippine Institute of Civil Engineering Malayan Colleges Laguna Student Chapter. As a student of Bachelor of Science in Civil Engineering, I'm equipped with technical skills such as land surveying, AutoCAD drawing, and using Microsoft Office, such as Word, PowerPoint, and Excel. Along with my technical skills, my past experience also taught me to be a good collaborative team player and also a relationship builder. In summary, I am focused, hardworking, and detail-oriented person. Given my classwork and practical experiences, I can contribute ideas to your company. Thank you very much for viewing my profile. You can contact me on my email at capitoangelo@yahoo.com or through my cell phone number 0916-777-1071. Thank you.